What's that?
You're under arrest, sir.
For what?
For mischief, counseling to commit the offense of mischief, counseling to commit the offense of obstruct police officer, and counseling to commit the offense of disobey court orders. So could you please step out of the vehicle, sir?
I'd like to get my lawyer on the phone right away.
Sir.
I have the right to a lawyer?
Of course you do.
Yeah, so I'd like to call my lawyer presently at this moment in
Sir, I need to
time.
make sure everything's safe. So
Oh, you're safe, man, and you always have been.
I really appreciate that. I don't know who your occupants are. I don't know what's in the vehicle.
All our hands are free and clear. I have the opportunity right now.
It all stays the same. I'm going to let you talk to that lawyer. 100%.
I need my lawyer to be at the ready because he's waiting to come.
I know it's within your discretion.
Now, can you just give me a nice...
So,
I understand that, but...
I'm being arrested by these officers right now. This officer here, they've cornered me, had me at the ready, and I'm being arrested. We'll talk to you guys soon.